Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this insect trap. This is the Zap M3 Pro. So when you first take it out of the box, there are some supplies down here. You're going to press this button. This bottom door is going to hinge open. Here we have some sticky traps. We have the charge or the power supply and the cable. So again, here's what that looks like. Now you're going to close this again, but we're going to open it up and put one of the sticky traps. So you get a whole bunch of these in this little bag right here. It is resealable. Now you're going to find where you see the markings and the arrow. That's going to peel back, and that's going to reveal a sticky surface right there. So you go back to the insect trap, press this release button. The bottom hinge comes off. Now we want to put that sticky trap in this bottom door like this. Then you're simply going to close it. There's a fan in there that's going to help bring the bugs down into the sticky, and this is like a metal grate. It's going to let some airflow by. Okay, so you are going to plug the wall charger into a wall out, and that's USB-A out. This will only go one way, so find that area right there, it'll go. This has micro USB. So on the back side here, we've got to plug this in. This will only go one way, so the small side goes down. It'll only go one way, so just press it in. Don't force it. There, it's in. Okay, so right here is a switch. The first time you press it, the center light's going to come on. That means it's going to stay on until you turn it off. If I press this switch again, that's a 6. It's going to stay on 6 hours and then turn off. If I press it again, that's 12. It'll stay on 12 hours and turn off. If I press it again, it turns it off. So press it one time and it's going to stay on until I turn it off. Now there is a light here that's going to attract the insects, and then there is suction here. The fan is bringing air in and then going down and then out right here. Hopefully it's going to take the insect in and force them onto that sticky trap. Right there. We can see there's some air being blown down onto that sticky trap. Now it does say some tips. You want to activate this. It works the best at night. Give it 2 days. Place closest to the trash can, outdoor area, or fruit bowl where you see the most bugs. And it looks like you can place a cap of apple cider vinegar near or inside to enhance bug catching power. Now there is no battery built in. It has to be plugged into a wall outlet the whole time. So see, as soon as I unplug it, it stops. Now you could plug this into like a battery bank for your charge, or to charge your phone or something. Those portable power banks, you could plug it into one of those and power this up portably. It only requires 5 volts, 1 amp. Okay, so it stands approximately 10 inches. Maximum's 5.25. Front to back is 5. The opening right here is 4. It comes with 10 of these sticky traps. These sticky traps look like they're about 4.25 inches wide. It's not super noisy. It just sounds like a fan running. And that ring of lights and the suction is all the way around. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.